Hello everybody, welcome back to Lyons Family Farms. We got a nice sunny day here, but we're gonna get some stuff done in the office before we get to start enjoying this nice weather. Here's what we're doing, working on the master list here. We got her up to date, so that's good. Time to get outside. Alright, so the project I've chosen I want to work on today is trying to get this skid loader bucket done so I can get it out of the shop. If you remember, it's that one I was welding on like a month or two ago, and I literally haven't touched it since then. So today, we're gonna get the shop doors open and work on that. Well, I fixed the worst of the bucket, so we're gonna call it good. Finally. Okay, we're back this afternoon. Gonna get that tractor out of here. The shop is a disaster, as you can tell, but we'll make some room. I'm gonna unhook the baler, and then we'll have plenty of room in here because I kind of got that taking up a lot of end down here at this end, or a lot of room down at this end that's unneeded because the baler project is complete. All right, we should be able to get 7130 in this hole. I've noticed this prong got some play in it, so we'll tighten her up. Good as new. So I'm gonna put the planter parts on this skid instead of them just laying in the dirt. So we'll put them on here. We got to bed the steers up too. Okay, we got a new day here, and if you remember previous videos, me and Dave washing this pipeline, but now with us putting lime in every day, it gets dusty. So now I'm just going to take the rag and dust it. So it's easier to do this than wash it. It's a mess when you're washing, but dust is pretty simple. So we'll start at the back and work our way to the front of the barn there, so all of the dust is getting sucked as we go down through. It ain't so bad back here, but when we get to the front of the barn, it's pretty hardcore. There, now you can see what I mean. We're pretty dusty down through here. go and sell 2 hay bales a day for the whole water stuff already.
It's a really tough job.
He pretty much fixes the water stuff down here, putting the sealing on.
The one thing I let Adam do.
Yeah, I'm not really qualified to do plumbing. I'm a farmer, not a plumber. Look, this isn't working at all.
A lot of water keeps coming out. That looks good.
He is. Here's what we got going on now. This should be a lot better, and it shouldn't leak into the stall like that other one's doing and making that wet. The bottom piece was broken, it was hanging, so every time she'd get a drink, it'd run water out on the stall, and this new cup shouldn't allow that.
So we had a cow that had mastitis, so we had to treat it with medicine, and then we had to dump it down the drain. We can't put that in the tank. So now we were done treating her days ago. So I put some on the tester, and if that bottom half is yellow, then the medicine's all gone and she can go back in. So she's good to go.
That's what's up. Everybody hates milking a cow afterwards. Well, that's gonna wrap today's video up. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope to see you in the next one. I think Dave's got a little something to say maybe to end this video.
Subscribe.